Hello and welcome back to Ask the Instructor presented by Campus Mortgage. Today's question is, what are FHA's property repair requirements? Great question. As a DE underwriter, here are my thoughts. FHA considers the 3 S's: safety, security, and soundness. An example of repairs that would not need to be done would be a cracked or damaged exit door that is otherwise operable, or worn floor finishes and badly soiled carpeting. Example of issues that would need to be repaired would be a roof with less than 2 years remaining life, or excessive dampness, leaks, and termite damage. From these examples, you can see minor issues are not required to be repaired, but those affecting the safety, security, and soundness of the property would be. This concludes our 1-minute video. As always, don't forget to download our course catalog at campusmortgage.org.